13 seconds na lang. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Passer na lang. Biglat. Wala. Yes, number 15. Ay, sila. Yes, number 15 sa kagbilig ay sa ilalim. Wala ang bola na ako ni Castol. Bumangka. Trrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Tugtagan mo nga ng isa. Sasayaw yan. First number 5. Binigay kay Miklat. Miklat. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Miklat. 5 to shoot niya. Si number 5. Airball. Ayun na. Ayun na ang mga nakasul. 4v3. Alin. Pulbangat. Patay butike. Ayun na. Jersey number 40. Jersey number 5. Binigay kay jersey number 29. Stockton. Para kang bumangga sa pater. Kaso may foul. Foul. Jersey number 13. Blocking foul. Sabrek. First personal foul. First team foul. Ayun na si Papaitan. Pinasok na. Headbutt mo, idol. Jersey number 24. Binigay kay jersey number 5. The big man. Baby Shaq. Nakuha. Manapat. 2 for 2. Ginagasuan. Hindi. Pusok. Sige. 10 to shoot. Binigay kay Yambot. Perimeter jump shot. Uy, walang lang. Ayun na. Jersey number 22. Binigay kay jersey number 24. Jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. Pumukol. Wala. Basta may foul. Foul si Shaquille O'Neal. Jersey number 5. Si Shaquille O'Neal yan. Second personal foul. First team foul. Ang lakas sa loob. Hindi to shoot. Tasnoy. Tasnoy. Fake news. Wala na kanino. Sino-sino na ako. Doon ang bola. Same ball. 13 seconds shot clock. Ayos na ako yung makal. 3 points.
Supremos, Manggan.
Yes, salamat tayo dito. Bumaga. 3 points. Uli wala talaga ng 3 points. Kanina pa sa junior. Hindi, to shoot. Score natin 19-21. Lamang ang mga nakaputi. Basket count. All jersey number 14. Hit to the arm. First personal foul. Second team foul. Body shot. Ni Ronel. Sablay. Umangat. Airball. Where's number 1? Yambot po Bukol. Baseball pass. Where's number 24? Thank you. Lumilipad. Si Ambot. Free score 23-21. Lamang yung 23.
Okay, bigay! Takbo! Takbo! Papaitan!
O mga good coach no.
Oh, yan! Ayan na!
Boys, number 15. Bigay kay ako.
Yes!
Bigay kay Ambot. O mga good coach no. Boys, number 9 dito po. Juan Santres. 3 points.
Mga oras na.
Yung 30 shot o mga wala na. That baby shot.
Tatlo!
Bigay, jersey number 5 is stopping 3-pointer. 3 points, may pabaril pa. Technical ka. Pwede ka. Saan kapunta? Jersey number 5, technical.
Binarin na info na ino! Mamaya si Bocalis.
Technical free throw pass.